On a hot afternoon, a small, thirsty ant made his way to the edge of a river. As he leaned over to drink, his tiny feet slipped, and in an instant, he plunged into the raging waters. "Help! Help!" But the vast forest stayed silent. No one heard his desperate cries. But high above, perched on a tree branch, a white dove watched with sharp eyes. She quickly plucked a leaf and dropped it into the water below. The leaf landed near the ant just in time. He climbed on and drifted safely to shore. He looked up at the dove, his heart full of gratitude. Days passed. The forest was calm again. The dove rested peacefully in the same tree, but danger crept silently. A hunter crouched in the tall grass bough, drawn arrow, ready, but someone else saw him, the ant. Without hesitation, the ant bit the hunter's foot hard. "Hunter, cry out!" Startled, the dove flapped her wings and soared into the sky, safe and free. Below, the ant watched proudly. He knew his small act had made a big difference. Kindness is never wasted. When you help others, that goodness often finds its way back to you, even in the most unexpected ways.